Guys, what's up? Welcome back to this new video, and in this video we'll learn about recursive function work. Invoke the same function with a different input until you reach your base case. Why different input? Because if you keep on calling the same input, then you'll never your function will always execute, and it'll make your computer angry, saying like kind of falls into a infinite loop. And base case. What is a base case? Base case is a case that after that there will be no more calling of that very function like that. Okay. Base case the condition when your recursion ends. This is the most important concept to understand. For example, this was an array that was passed in the Martin and the Dragon case, and every time the first element was chopped off until unless we found nothing there. So you see, like every time function is running, but this is the base case when there was nothing and it exits the loop exits the recursion. And what was happening basically, every time we were running the function with a different input. That input, that means the length of the array was reduced, the number of elements in the array was reduced. Okay, so next thing is two essential parts of a recursive function: base case and different input. Both are clear, I suppose. Now this is base case and different inputs. As you can see, the change in the input, you see, like the things which is making the each and every input different from each other. The different inputs you can see, right? For example, first recursion, as for example, this is a function keyword is used, countdown is created, and in the else or without the else, so you can write it here. What is happening? You are basically calling countdown function inside itself, but before counting the same num, we are subtracting it until it will run till num is not equal to 0. But when it's equal to 0, it will say all done. So how does it look? It looks like this. Like it prints 3 first. For example, if num is equal to 3, then it goes to countdown 2 because it gets reduced. Then it prints 2, right? Console log true, and keeps it, this part, if part, keeps on getting ignored till the time when we have num equals to 0. Till the time unless num is equal to 0, this part becomes very red, like angry, angry, angry. Let's execute and so like this, and it simply gets out of the function. And you have simply use the return keyword without anything in the front or previously or the back of it. It's a crazy way of exiting a loop, exiting a function. That's all. That's all. That's fucking all. That's fucking all. That's all for the video. I'll catch you up later. Then take care. Be safe. Till then, keep DSing.